There's your tropical wave. You see it? Right here? This whole thing right here? You see it? You see how these clouds are up, curling like that, and up like that a little bit. You see some of these going up like this, the little clouds going, and then going this way. So I think there might be a broad circulation, or maybe no circulation at all. But you could tell there might be something right here. It's hard to tell, but right here. I won't talk for a while. You just look at it. This thing, let's go down a little bit. It has a lot of clouds down here. See down at the bottom. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Is there something spinning here? Yeah, it'd be up in here. There's some clouds that just formed north of it. A little bit, they're not that deep. Interesting cloud buster right here. Yeah. I don't see nothing too crazy. But we'll keep an eye on it.